editing, the idea is that you can use your favorite editor. I'm using Atom, the latest version, 1.18, and I'm using a plugin called Markdown Preview Enhance and a language Markdown. So language Markdown allows you to have this content themed so that you can see that bullet points have a different color and titles have a different color. The front matter here that has metadata for a particular file is also in a different color, so are links and whatnot. So that's helpful to sort of at a glance see what's happening with your content. Also using a mini map here, which is useful when you have sort of long files. I'm also using the Markdown Preview Enhanced, which is a really nice plugin that will do a number of things for you. Will sort of allow you to preview the content as you type it, and also it will sort of automatically check that your front matter makes sense. So if you do something weird here, then it will disappear, and that's good visual feedback to know whether you've maybe corrupted the front matter. So what else? Right, Markdown. I will refer you to a Markdown manual. There are a number of those. There is special syntax, and I've mentioned this before. It's transclusion. So transclusion is used to include content. So let's say this is an example where I have a file called index.md, and in there I would use a transclusion link, hi, with a semicolon, and this is the Markdown syntax for a regular link. And you see here, this is supposed to be the destination file for a link, but because I've put a colon in front, actually what it's going to do is, instead of generating a link that you can click on, is actually going to transclude, therefore include the content from the file directly where the link is. So that will be rendered as hi Alice if main.md contains the Alice. So that's the key, that's the idea. It is used in other ways in the framework, but right now you can see it in action, for instance, in the methods as I showed before.